What's going on, everybody? It's your boy DK Invest, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be going over coin market cap real quick, seeing what some coins look like. I'm going to be giving you guys an update on a call that I made, I believe a month ago. I don't know, it was like in December or something, but I'm going to give you guys 3 projects that you guys should be looking into, 3 projects that I feel like will blow up, just like the project that I'm going to show you that I called, bro. Even though young boy Don didn't know what he was doing for real, it was all up in here though. It was all up in here. So we got that call, made that. But getting right into the video, coin market cap, just taking a brief overview. Bitcoin is at $43,000. It's been up 2.59% in the past 24 hours. But I don't really care about Bitcoin for real. We want to look at Ethereum. Ethereum is sitting at 3,300. It just came up from its low right here, as you can see, from about like 3,000. I don't think it hit below 29, but it was around 3,000. Trading sideways. We're seeing a little bit of a pump, so hey yo, we just keep watching, bro. We just keep watching. So Solana, of course, still in the $145, $150 range. And yeah, up 6%. So I mean, yeah, there's your coins for you. We're not gonna be looking at no gaming coins this time, because let's just get through this video, man. I want to do this. Let's go. So let's see, December 28th. If you guys watched this video on December 28th, I called pxQuest. This young boy Don right here, he barely even knew. He wasn't even as advanced as your boy right now. So young Don gave y'all a good call, and let's see where it's at right now. Floor price, last time I checked, was around 0.58. Let's just refresh real quick so we can update it. And oh well, it dropped down 0.1. So floor price is 0.48 at the moment. I think it reached an all-time high of like around 0.6 something. So if you guys minted this project, I think the mint was around, I can't even tell you guys, I think the mint was like 0.2. I didn't even get this project myself, sorry you guys, but that was a good call for you guys. But I believe the mint was around 0.2. I'm not too sure, but if it was, you just made 2x plus on your money just off of that one call, bro. So I mean, come on, stay tuned to the channel. Let's keep building, bro. All right, but the first project I want to be talking about is Tasty Bones. I've heard a lot about this from Nimbus. Actually, he was on one of my videos. This Discord is invite only. I'm not in the Discord. I can't really tell you anything for real in depth about this project, because I'm just not a part of that community right now. But I know a couple other people like Nimbus and everything who is a part of that community. I'm just waiting for that invite, man. I'm just waiting. I had got the invite, but man, I blew it, man. I was at work. So Tasty Bones, 5,000 collection of skeletons. They're launching February 22nd. I mean, they're launching February 2022. They have 47.5 thousand followers, and there's a lot of people that I know following this. So YSL, we have, let's see, we got Popeye following, NFT Nate, we got Scourge, we have Bender, let's see, we got Bento, Ryan D Crypto, and you guys get the gist and everything. So a lot of big people following this project, a lot of people keeping in contact with this project. And if we look at the art, if anything wants to load, there we go. If we look at the art, I feel like it's a unique twist on doodles, and it's kind of riding that doodle derivative wave, but they're creating their own style. So I wouldn't call this a derivative necessarily. I would definitely give respect to this project because they grew organically, and I gotta give respect where it's due. So Tasty Bones art is pretty sick. I wish I can get this invite to the damn Discord, but hey, sucks to suck. So next up which is a project that I've been hyped about, that I think I talked about it before, but Llamaverse. I feel like this would probably be one of the biggest alpha group slash NFT drops that come out in probably Q1. Probably one of the biggest. So founder is NFT Llama. If you guys don't know who NFT Llama is, he's already a GOAT in this space, well established, big influencer. He's already financially free before he got into NFTs, so there's only his reputation to lose, and I'm sure he doesn't want to lose that. So I'm a big advocate on trusting and investing into people. So NFT Llama and his whole entire crew, I do trust. He's a group that actually started making me participate in more VCs and everything. But what they're going to be doing with this project is you're going to be able to generate a spit token, and you're also going to be able to breed. There's going to be gamification, and it's like an alpha Discord. Already, I know so many people that made so much money off of just being in Llamaverse's alpha Discord by holding their Llama Pass, right? And they've just already made so much money. So I just feel like this is just a no-brainer. NFT Llama is an ecom guru who transitioned over to NFTs and just became well over successful in there. But definitely go check out Llamaverse. Discord is right there. They have 33,000 followers. And they're partnering up with probably the biggest projects that you know. NFT Llama just has so much influence in this space that he can partner up with anybody, to be honest, and it'll do well. Like, I feel like it's just a no-brainer at this point. Also, they're gonna be doing a thing with their spit buddies, which is, I guess, you're able to, once you generate enough spit token, you're able to buy a spit buddy, which then you're able to use in a different project that NFT Llama is partnered with. You feel me? So you're able to use that NFT as their NFT in their game or whatever. Say Sappy Seals, you're able to generate pixel through their NFT or through your NFT, right? Using their I don't know how to say it, but you're gonna be basically creating an NFT, and you're gonna be able to use it in other NFT gamifications or other metaverses and everything. So that's crazy what he's doing. Also with Spit Token, you're able to once you get enough, you're able to buy whitelists. So if we I don't even know where it's at. Let's see. I want to show you guys the interface on how it's going to look. Let's see. Alright, well, I can't really find it, but how it's gonna work is there's gonna be a menu, right, with say 4 projects, Sappy Seals, pxQuest, and 2 other projects, right? You're gonna have your spit coming up based on how many llamas you have staked or whatever. So you're gonna have your spit generating, and you're gonna have your spit total right above, and then you see those 4 options with a limited amount of spots, because of course you have to have a limited amount of spots. So say there's 50 spots in each. There's only 20 spots left in Sappy Seals and like 30 spots left in pxQuest. Okay, now each of that costs 5 spit. You have 7 spit, so you can either get 1 whitelist on Sappy Seals or you can get 1 whitelist on pxQuest. But if that one runs out on pxQuest or something, you're able to get that one on Sappy Seals. So I mean, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good concept. I really like this project. I feel like this project will blow up in 2022. This is not a flip. I don't care. You can. But this is definitely, if you believe in NFT Llama and what he's doing, I would definitely hold on to this. Maybe get multiple, flip them, because this is going to be valuable, guys. I feel like this is going to be valuable. By the way, perfect time, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Come on now. Nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm just your homie just chilling, bro, just chilling. So next up, I want to talk about Antonym. Now, Antonym, they have a locked Discord as well. I managed to get into the Discord, so I seen some of this art, some of the sneak peeks, and yo, just art alone, I'm bullish on this project. Art alone. To be honest, I'm gonna be real with you guys too. I haven't even really looked into the founders or really looked into the project. I kind of looked at the art and the hype behind it, and so I had to get in. So I'm in there. I'll do more research later, but I'm in there just grinding, trying to get a whitelist, trying to see what it's about, because I mean, you can't really go wrong with something as hyped up as this project. It was getting talked about by a lot of major influencers, so I feel like Antonym is a good thing to look into. And also, the only red flag, y'all, is that it is an Instagram project. And most things about Instagram projects, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's just usually when projects are promoted on Instagram, clearly this one doesn't have that many followers on Instagram. It has way more followers on Twitter, which is good. But usually when you see an influencer pump on Instagram, you feel me? A lot of people aren't into NFTs on Instagram. They're still looking at NFTs as a scam. They're still looking at the NFT page on Instagram, looking at, you know, Justin Bieber getting in-betweeners and, you know, a whole bunch of BS, just a whole bunch of BS. They're giving you paid promos on Instagram. So that's why a lot of them are scams and rugs. But Antonym, I do believe in this project. And just looking at their Instagram right now kind of gives me even more belief, because they have way more followers on Twitter than Instagram. That means they're not really promoting Instagram content for real. They're really promoting Twitter content and trying to build on Twitter and Discord. So I really do like that. I appreciate that. And yeah, Antonym, baby, check it out. All right, another quick little suggestion. I got this book idea from the morning meetup, which I do attend every single morning at 5 o'clock a.m. my time, which is it's crazy. It's crazy, but it's supposed to be at around 8 o'clock Eastern time. But since I'm in the Pacific or LA or California, however you want to say it, I'm PST, so 8 o'clock Eastern is 5 o'clock my time. So I got this book idea from the morning meetup. It's called We All Should Be Millionaires. And even though it's a woman's guide, it's not like we can't use this as well. It's knowledge. Knowledge is power. And guess what? Peer-to-peer knowledge is the best type of knowledge. So you guys go on ahead, learn it from the other side. You guys can get this book on Audible. You guys can get this a hardcover, paperback, whatever, bro. But I'm not sponsored by this book. I'm not even affiliated with this book for I'm just in the morning meetup, hearing about it, talking about it, and hey, I have some quotes just to give you. Not even some quotes, just some concepts from this book that I learned. So, in order to win today, you have to understand that favor is not fair. All right. So, don't measure results. Don't measure your results to someone else's results. Focus on execution, because favor follows it. Favor and fear do not get along with each other. So you can't be fearful and want to have favor. Hey, that's just the game of life, bro. Scared money doesn't make money, bro. Execute on your dream. Execute on your ambitions. Execute on your goals. But the main thing is to execute. Don't think about it. Don't watch it. Don't say that you're going to do it. Do it. Execute. So, that being said, my boys, it's that time of the video where, let's all win, and let's begin to start building, bro. Get your knowledge up, man.